Guys, the crocodile here dead. Oh my god.
You shake my mind, you break my heart, you stop time, baby, I'm staying here, and I'll be waiting for you.
Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going on the road. So let's see how my weekend is going to go. So guys, we're on our way to Hellshire Beach and we are at Lime Tree Grove. Yes, so now we're passing Lime Tree, we're going on the bridge, which is Berna Lodge Bridge. So yes.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down. All around this empty town, we're searching for the lost.
So guys, now we're on Clifton Road. Yes guys, we're on Clifton Road.
Scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just there 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world.
Over here is the ham stable. Yes, that's the sign, the ham stable, where they have horses over there. Yes guys. Now we are arriving at the Caribbean Estate. So if you never know Caribbean Estate, look, you know now. So this is Caribbean Estate. So the light is taking so long to turn green. So that's the gas station over there. I think that's Total gas station. So yes, once you're in Portmore and you run out of gas station is everywhere you turn. I'm telling you, gas station is everywhere.
Charting the stratosphere. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me.
So guys, just enjoy the ride. Just enjoy the ride guys. So we're on our way to the Hellshire Beach. Yes, and the cars are moving so fast and all of those things. So that's a church over there, and further down there's another church which is Greater Portmore Open Bible. So if you live in Portmore, you must know this church, and if you don't know this church, you can go over there. You know, they have very nice services over there because I've been over there a couple times. And now we are on Hellshire Road, so reach. Just enjoy the view. As we were on our way, we spot a crocodile. Oh my god. Yo, we. Okay, guys, I was there. Daddy, don't do that. Oh, so guys, this crocodile. Guys, the crocodile here dead. Oh my god. Isa ko po So guys, as you can see the water from here, but right here is not where the shore is. So we're going to where the shore is. Yes, and we just passed the guys that we saw with the crocodile. Look at my father holding the crocodile. Like, I'm so scared of it. Dead or not, dead. Like, oh my god. So, when you can see how to reach, I know it's so nice smell the water. Like, the water smells salty. Like, the water smells salty. So, we so reach, you see me?
You
So guys, we're basically here, and here's a man selling his coconut and jelly, nice things. So when we reached, we realized that it was closed because it's holiday. Just look at them. Them look nice. Like any tourist coming to Jamaica can get these. They are so beautiful. So we're going over to this part. So that's my father walking and my brother. Yes. Just imagine say me I do a voice over for this because I know say they're not here me I say. And everybody are clean up the beach and them nice things there. And see them myself floaty then you know. Floaty and back bathing suits. So yes, and we have some people over here so. And here's a bar. So we are going for the part where we really want to go. To the other beach there. I want beach in a boat. Eh? Let's pick up and see the people there. Alright, so we reach guys. Them are fish. Okay guys, so we are here. I will go some dinner too. Nice part of the beach. Me not jump up. So we are here guys. We were all over there. We did the way over there so walk come over here so. So just take a look guys and enjoy this ride with me. So we have the two of them and fish. Two people have fish. Over here is pretty guys. We should have come over here from first. Over here so pretty and clean. So Yes, guys, I don't want to carry my phone in the water because bad things are going to happen. Wait.
Now we will go back home today until the very last hour. We still got a few more
Start eat food already and everything. And yeah, we have pickle. So nice food. Yeah.
control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms. Feel it in your legs. Feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go. Just let your body go. Just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
So guys, one last week because we're going to leave and the rain is coming. So guys, just enjoy the beautiful view of the sea and just hear how the sea are going. Home now, so we're gonna walk by the restroom and you have to pay. You know, you have to pay. Nothing really free in Jamaica, so I think it's $50 the last time we checked, but the last time we came here, but since it's holiday, I think it's going to raise. And I don't think I just have to walk. I walk same way, I can't last. Anyway, so we just walk like we walk off the stand of our body, if that makes any sense. So yes, so I'm just showing like the place full of sand, like right here to have dirt though, but maybe me I walk at wrong spot and I don't see my family them I walk back at me, but I see me still I walk. And that is the chef, the lady who cooked the food for us. So yes, and it did taste good, like 5 stars she get. Bye bye. Yeah, we are going now. Yeah, so that's it. I'm just a walk and show me and look for the restroom. And I see daddy car come, I see my cousin, I see nobody but I still a walk. So you have a lot of bars and fish place here where they play music and something there, but I guess it's because of the corona why you don't hear any music. And today's holiday, the beach is normally full on holidays because every holiday will come a beach, isn't it? So that's basically it. I think this is the way out. So that's when I walk. Like a long time I come here, so I don't really know how the place here anymore. I just reach home, I'm a bed, I'm wash my hair, but I just feel like say things still in there, but I hope you guys enjoy this video like me enjoy it. And yeah, today is Emancipation Day, the 1st of August. I think I'm going to upload a video here today, depends on when we finish edit, but yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video because me enjoy it, and I'm glad to come on beach with me. And the crocodile there, yo. The crocodile there. Anyways guys, just stay tuned and watch everything. Yeah, and big